son.
Oh, good. You can count. I bet they'll come back now.
Hey, come on now. Quarreling amongst ourselves ain't gonna solve nothing. Anyway, I think this building's on fire. Maybe we should...
Down the desert. That chopper's heading to the mall across town.
My friend got me using a shotgun.
Adrenaline shot here. Man, I ain't never killed nothing before. It's too You're supposed to use an elevator when the building's on fire. You think that rule still applies if there's zombies in the building?
Ellis, pleasure to meet you, Rochelle.
People call me Coach. What's your name?
Name's Nick. Don't worry about learning it, because I ain't sticking around long.
Let's stay together for a little while longer at least, okay, Nick?
I'd be welcome.
We're so happy to see you go. Search these rooms.
Reloading.
Help!
Reloading.
I'm stranded in Savannah.
Man, Savannah's awesome. Come on, I'll show you the sights on the way to the mall.
Jesus, are you
Let's go
from
find
here?
that helicopter.
Look at you. That is so depressing.
Mister, I don't like your attitude. Grab and puke!
Fireproof zombies.
Heads up!
Reloading!
That way. Let's move.
Deliver this clip.
Reloading!
Reloading.
Watch out!
Maul's over this bridge.
I'm gonna reload.
Weapons over here! Look alive, we're getting close to the mall.
Reloading.
Reloading! Reloading! Reloading!
Pipe bombs!
Reload!
They call them chargers.
You know what they say about zombies with one big arm?
Reload! Reload! I don't think we need to hit him just in the head.
Over the dumpster.
Grabbing some frag rounds.
Reloading! Hey, do you hear that crying?
Grenade! We can jump down onto this truck.
Reloading. Reloading.
Reloading!
Oh shit! Witch! Whip! Watch out, y'all! Someone was pissed off that bitch.
Reloading.
Reloading! Reloading! What was that for?
It's tuber time.
There's gun stores around here somewhere.
Jockey! Jockey!
Jockey!
Excuse me, sir.
It comes at you. Stop shooting me.
Whew. That'll keep me tight.
Reloading.
Ninja sword here.
Look out! Let's go through here.
Reloading.
Charger!
Charger! Shoot the big guy pounding me into the ground! Hey, look out!
That gun store is just up ahead. Let's stock up and keep moving. What's with the suits? Pretty sure all these will kill them zombies. laser sights here.
Laser sights here.
Hold on, y'all. I gotta heal. All good now. Hold up, y'all. I'm gonna heal your ass. Better. Look here. This here first aid is mine.
Okay, mysterious voice.
I'm guessing you four be headed to the evacuation center at the mall. I also know the road is blocked, but I can clear it for you. And
Here comes the
you
alarm.
run over to the store next door and pick me up some colas.
Alright. We'll go get you your snacks. But we risk
I got the cola. Let's get back. Grenade! I got the cola.
Remember the cola. Leave a man behind if you must, but get the cola. Put the cola in the slot. Thanks for that. Now turn around. Don't let the attackers
Clear! Let's get to that mall.
Good luck to you, gang.
From the sounds of it, it's about to get a whole lot worse. Hey, ammo here.
this zombie speed burning shit.
That thing is too dang big.
Holy shit, what in the hell is that? No idea, but I don't think it's friendly.
So that's a tank, huh? Jesus, that thing is huge.
Woo. Let's put it behind us. We good, y'all. We good. Everybody ready? Incoming!
Reloading.
Charger!
Still down.
Got it.
Woo.
Gotta reload. Reloading. Reloading.
That's what they call a boomer.
You know it's sad to see an eating disorder get out of control like that?
Hey, there's the mall. We made it.
Damn. Where is everybody?
See, you better be around here somewhere.
Reloading.
Up that escalator.
You on it? Charger!
Charger!
Reloading! Jockey!
Stop shooting me!
Through here.
Reloading.
Reloading. Reloading.
Room about here.
Heads up!
Evac up ahead.
Remove that light wire.
Heads up, move!
Look out!
Over this door.
Down here. Sounds like a smoker. Ammo here.
Shoot the shit out of that thing! That was mine.
Hey, I'm
Get
reloading.
ready.
Reloading.
Alarm is gonna sound.
We gotta turn.
Watch out!
Someone turn off the alarm. We got to turn off that alarm.
Heads up!
Look out. Look out now.
Got it.
Charger!
That goddamn noise.
This right here. All right.
Reloading.
That is the spot.
Here you go. I got this for you.
Thanks.
Reloading.
We can get down here.
I can smell you making fun of the stuff. I'm gonna strangle your parents!
Stop it! Nice shot!
Reloading.
Holy shit, that thing's biting him! Oh,
Got pills.
I'ma reload.
Reloading.
Up this escalator. Reloading.
Some of the refugees must have built the safe room. Reloading.
Close that door.
I won't lie, it don't look good.
Anybody know who the race car guy is?
That is Jimmy Gibbs Jr., the greatest driver ever to climb into a stock car.
Jimmy Gibbs Jr. Yay!
That man is America's greatest natural resource. I would take a bullet for that man.
Amen. All right, let's go. What do y'all make of this? Yeah, see that? Looks like we're gonna have to save ourselves. Anybody got an idea? Speak up, we're listening.
I might have an idea. Let's go find Jimmy Gibbs' stock car. We get that thing gassed up, we will drive out of here.
Son, you got a deal.
Now remember, they don't fill up these tanks at car shows, so we're gonna have to find some gas.
I think the little guy's onto something. Let's give it a shot.
Haul ass and get gas.
Careful, I hear
I got it. It's on! I got this one!
Good! It's moving!
Oh, spinner goo!
All right.
Crushed
Done
in a
good.
hand basket. Oh, I'm all goo.
Boomer!
Reloading.
I saved the best.
Watch out!
Fire in the hole!
Reloading.
Got a can!
We got a hunter.
Are you?
Got it! I got one.
Jockey!
I got this can.
Look out now!
I got this one!
Charger!
Charger!
Got pills!
Hey, look out!
It's on my face!
Jockey!
Lento, lento, lento!
Got it! I got one.
Hunter!
Smoker. I got it.
Reloading!
Got a can. Get to the car, people!
Down!
Coach, come on! Would you get to the goddamn car?
Thanks, my brother!